Okay, how long have you teach science here?
This is my second year teaching at Hamady.
What made you like science?
I actually used to hate science in middle school, so it's kind of funny that I'm a science teacher for middle school, but I didn't start liking science until about 11th grade when I took my first advanced placement class. It was really challenging and we got to do a lot of cool experiments, so I became interested.
Have you ever did science, science experiment in your past?
I've taken lots of science classes and a lot of them had labs attached, so yeah, I've done lots of science experiments.
Did anything inspire you to become a science teacher?
My high school science teacher in my 11th and 12th grade years, he was just a really intense person and he really challenged me and he made me want to be a science teacher.
Before science, did you teach any other subjects?
Before science, I taught, before I came to Hamady, I taught in a high school and I taught all kinds of different science classes, and then I also taught a couple of English classes as well.
Have you used to teach at the elementary school?
I've never taught at an elementary school, no. The youngest I've taught is 7th grade.
Do you prioritize your work?
I try to plan for the week pretty thoroughly so that during my planning hours I can make sure I have all my materials ready. I try not to take a whole lot of work home because I have 3 kids, so I try to get as much done in class as I can.
What science-related things do you like?
I really like space. I really like life science, so things to do with like medicine and the human body. I thought about being a doctor, but that was a lot of extra schooling and expenses, so teaching was the next best thing.
What things do you do before you go to the school, like morning routine?
In the morning, it's a mad dash to get me and my 3 kids ready for school, so it's 45 minutes of chaos, and then I drive.
What do you think of science?
I think it's important that everyone knows the foundation of science, just so that they can make informed decisions. There's lots of crazy fake news out there, so just being able to know the background and form your own opinion about science is good for everyone.